Hey Quizlers, right, we're going to look at Evil Mode, which is a feature of the keypad round. There's not much point watching this tutorial if you haven't already watched the tutorial on how to host a keypad round. But if you have watched that and you wanted to add something to it, spice it up a little bit, Evil Mode is your first step, I would say. There's also a feature called Go Wide. It's a bit more involved as Go Wide, so I'd say it's more of an optional feature. Evil Mode is very easy to understand for you and for the players. Most people do more than one keypad round in a quiz, so I would always recommend enabling Evil Mode on the last round. It does spice it up and it's just great. Right, I'll show you what you need to do. So if you haven't already, you would open the keypad round. Right, so I'm going to enable Evil Mode. And let's assume, because we've enabled Evil Mode, that it's a later round in the night. So let's assume we're going to have a few more points on there. So setting the points to 8 points with auto bonus set, it's automatically set it to 4 speed bonus points. If you had more teams, that number would likely be bigger. It might be 6 speed bonus points or 8 speed bonus points, and it might set the sliding scale. Now with Evil Mode enabled, it doesn't change anything on the handset help on the devices. However, if you click the little book icon, there's some extra information, Evil Mode information at the bottom right. So the normal rules apply, which you've probably already read out on a previous round. So you only need to look at this bit. Evil Mode. You will score 8 points for a correct answer as normal, but Evil Mode means that you will be deducted 8 points from your existing score if you answer incorrectly. Remember, in Evil Mode, if you are not sure, you don't have to answer. So that's pretty much all you need to say to the players. I often reiterate, you don't have to answer. If you don't answer, you won't get any points, you won't lose any points. If you do answer, you will either get 8 points or you will lose 8 points. Okay, click the cross. The little cross there closes this dialog, but as I've already mentioned, you can use the escape key if you want on your computer keyboard. I'm good to go. 8 points for a correct answer, 4 bonus points for the fastest correct answer. Evil Mode's enabled. Start the round. So I've skipped through the round to a multiple choice question just for the purpose of this demo. The highest peaks in the Western Hemisphere are found in which mountain range? Is it A, the Andes, B, the Alps, C, Alaskan Range? I'll put them on the screen. So as you can see, they've answered Alaskan Range. They've answered the Alps. They've answered the Andes. Andes. Alaskan Range. 10 seconds. 10. So let's analyse what's on the screen here, as we can see. So Maurice Moss here, they answered correctly. So they got 8 points, plus they got the 4 bonus points for being fastest. Jen Barber here answered correctly. They got 8 points, but they didn't get the speed bonus points. Richmond here didn't answer at all, so didn't get or lose any points. But these three all got it wrong. Alaskan Range, and Alps. They all answered incorrectly, so you can see that they got minus 8 points, and you can see that's what's happened on their scores. That's kind of it, really. I'll do one more. So you can see from the previous question, they've got minus 8 points. They're on 0, and they've got 8 and 12. They got 12 because they got the speed bonus points. Let's do a first letter of the answer question. Which NFL quarterback won his second AP Most Valuable Player award this year? And send the question. They put the answers in. Wrong. Wrong. Correct. 10. 2 teams answered correctly. So you can see now Jen Barber, that team there, didn't answer at all. So they didn't get any points or lose any points. Mr. Renham, which is this one here, they got the 8 points for getting it right, plus 4 speed bonus points. Space Star Ordering, jump down to that one. They answered correctly, but didn't get any speed bonus points. And the rest of them, the red ones, they all answered incorrectly, which means they got minus 8 points. So because it's so easy to explain and to host, I would always recommend doing the Evil round, however much of a beginner you are, regardless of whether you do the Go Wide. Go Wide's more advanced. Evil Mode, no brainer, do it. Thanks for watching my tutorial.